Today's topic is concyclic points. Concyclic points is nothing but the points that lie on the same circle. For example, you have to show that any 4 points 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic points. Already you know how to find any one circle equation of the circle by using any 3 points. First you have to find, by using first 3 points, you have to find the equation of the circle. Then first you have to write required equation of the circle. That means general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. Take it, this is the first equation. By using first 3 points, you have to find the 3 equations. First point, that is 1, 1. You have to substitute this point in the first equation. 1 implies 1 square plus 1 square, x value is 1 and y value is also 1, plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. 1 square plus 1 square is 1 plus 1, 2, plus 2g into 1 is 2g, plus 2f into 1 is 2f, plus c is equal to 0. Next, 2g plus 2f plus c, 2 transposing that side, that becomes minus 2. Take it, this is the second equation. Next, we have to substitute the second point, minus 6, 0. Again in the first equation, 1 implies x value is minus 6 and y value is 0. Minus 6 whole square plus 0 square plus 2g into minus 6 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal 0. Minus 6 whole square becomes 36 plus 0 square is 0 plus 2g into minus 6 is 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, minus 12g plus 2f into 0 becomes 0 plus c is equal 0. Minus 12g plus c is equal to this 36 transposing that side, that becomes minus 36. Take it, this is the third equation. Next you have to take third point, minus 2, 2. You have to take third point, minus 2, 2. Again you have to substitute in the first equation. 1 implies x value is minus 2, y value is 2. So that is minus 2 whole square plus 2 square plus 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 2 square is also 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4g plus 2 2s are 4f plus c is equal 0. Next, minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal 4 plus 4, 8. 8 transposing that side, that becomes minus 8. Again, this is the fourth equation. Now we have to using any 2 equations, 2 and 3 or 3 and 4, 2 3 gani 3 4 gani use chesi, you have to find, you have to calculate value, you have to cancel the value of c, and by using 2 and 3, solving 2 and 3, solving 2 and 3, we get the second equation is second equation is 2g plus 2f plus c. is equal minus 2, and the third equation is minus 12g plus, there is no f value, so that is 0, plus c is equal minus 36. Subtracting these two equations, this minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now 2g minus plus 12g becomes 14g plus 2f plus c minus c will be cancelled, is equal minus 2 plus 36 becomes 34. Dividing every term by 2 we get 7g plus f is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Take it, this is the fifth equation. Next, by using 3 and 4, solving 3 and 4, we get the third equation is minus 12g, there is no f term, so that is 0, plus c is equal minus 36, and the fourth equation is minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal minus 8. Now also subtracting these two equations, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and minus becomes plus. Minus 12g plus 4g, the value becomes minus 8g minus 4f plus c minus c will be cancelled, is equal minus 36 plus 8 is minus 28. Dividing every term by minus 4 we get 4 2s are 2g plus f is equal 7. Take it, this is the sixth equation. Now solving 5 and 6. By solving 5 and 6, we get the values of g and f. After that, gf values used chesi. Next, second or third or fourth equation or substitute chesi, you can get the value of c. Now solving 5 and 6. Solving 5 and 6, we get fifth equation is 7g plus f is equal 17, and sixth equation is 2g plus f is equal 7. Subtracting these two equations, here also plus becomes minus, plus f minus f will be cancelled. 7g minus 2g is 5g is equal 17 minus 7 becomes 10. 5g is equal 10. Then g is equal 10 by 5 is, that value becomes 2. So the value of g is 2. Next, we have to substitute this g value in the fifth equation or sixth equation. We get the value of f. Here we are taking sixth equation. Sixth equation is 2g. The value of g is 2 plus f is equal 7. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus f is equal 7. Then f is equal 7 plus 4. Transposing that side, that becomes minus 4. 7 minus 4 is equal 3. So the value of f is 3. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏ వాల్యూస్ వచ్చాయి, ఎఫ్ వాల్యూ అండ్ జీ వాల్యూ. నెక్స్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ సి. సో సి వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేకి you have to substitute g f values in the second equation or third equation or fourth equation. Here we are taking the third equation. The third equation is minus 12g plus c is equal minus 36. Minus 12, here the value of g is 2 plus c is equal minus 36. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. Minus 24 plus c is equal minus 36. Then the value of c. C is equal minus 36 minus 24. Transposing this side, that becomes plus 24. Minus 36 plus 24. Subtracting that value, so that becomes, that value is minus 12. Right? Therefore, the C value of C is minus 12. ఇప్పుడు ఏ వాల్యూస్ వచ్చేసినాయి, జిఎఫ్సి వాల్యూస్ వచ్చేసినాయి. Now you have to substitute GFC values in the first equation. The first equation, what is the first equation? First equation is circle equation. General equation of the circle. First equation is the general equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx. The 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. And x square plus y square plus 2 into the value of g. Here the value of g is 2x plus 2f. The value of f is 3 into y plus c is minus 12 is equal 0. That is x square plus y square. 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y minus 12 is equal 0. This is the seventh equation. This is the equation of the circle. First 3 points use చేసి circle equation ని find out చేసాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్, we have one more point. ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ మీద ఆ పాయింట్ని ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో, సెవెంత్ ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి. అంటే రైట్ సైడ్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వాల్యూ is equal to 0 రావాలి. వస్తే then the given 4 points are concyclic points. The fourth point is minus 2 minus 8. The fourth point is minus 2 minus 8. You have to substitute this fourth point in the seventh equation. Seventh equation implies x square. The value of x is minus 2 and the value of y is minus 8. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 8 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus minus 8 whole square is 8 8 are 64 plus 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8 plus 6 into minus 8 plus into minus becomes minus 6 8 are 48 minus 12. This value is equal positive values. 64 plus 4 is 68. Next negative values, minus 8 minus 48, that becomes minus 56 minus 12. Total value is minus 68 plus 68 minus 68, that is equal to 0. That means fourth point is satisfied the seventh equation. అంటే ఫస్ట్ 3 పాయింట్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తే మనకి సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. ఆ సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్లో ఫోర్త్ పాయింట్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే దట్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 0. So the given 4 points are concyclic points. Therefore the given 4 points are concyclic. The given 4 points are concyclic. ఇలాగే మీరు ఇంకొన్ని పాయింట్స్ తీసుకొని వాటిని 4 పాయింట్స్ కాన్సైక్లిక్ పాయింట్స్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ 1 2 3 minus 4 5 minus 6 and 19 8 or concyclic. You have to show that the 4 points are concyclic. Next one is 1 minus 6 and 5 2 7 0 minus 1 minus 4. Next third one 9 1 7 9 minus 2 12 and 6 10. If 3 problems ni complete cheyandi. ఈ 4 points concyclic points. You have to show that the 4 points in each of the following are concyclic and find the equation of the circle on which they lie. Thank you.